S.S. Harshavardhan.
Hi, my name is Sharma.
My name is Rohit.
We are from Marg Vidhyalaya, grade 6.
About vacuum cleaner.
A vacuum cleaner is a machine that is used for cleaning dust.
It works by the strongest section power.
This is our working model. Vacuum cleaners are used to clean floor, carpets, furniture and other surfaces.
It has a bag or container to collect the dust.
By using vacuum cleaner, it makes our cleaning easier.
Vacuum cleaner is an electrical device.
It is a common household device.
Nowadays, there are effects of vacuum cleaner available for consumers.
They are fast and easy to use.
It helps to save time.
A key point about a large vacuum cleaner is their cleaning
Capacity for cleaning larger spaces more efficiently.
Thank you.